So here we go, and the level 2 students have been doing some painting, purple pansy, because the blue is that's not quite like the verbena, so we just toned that down a bit. So we've got the posts all done. So light's just finishing off the top of the pergola, and as we go around we can see primer on the gabion, and then this has been sprayed a nice cotton colour. It should match the dendron tile trees on the walls. And then down here we've got the lovely, if nothing ever changed, there'd be no butterflies. So we've got that to go in, just sit in the paint. And so Adam is just putting a little bit of paint on, just on the gate posts, and what we're trying to do is to contrast the gate with obviously black, and then over onto one of the butterfly gates we're going for more of a copper colour here, and Jim's just putting the paint to the gate posts there. And if I just move over to the right, we can find what Michelle and Sandra are up to, and they're actually mapped out a brain, haven't you? So a head, sorry, not a brain. Yeah, there's a brain to go in the head. Oh yeah, that's the normal way it works, isn't it? You go and yeah, that's right, the brain's in the head. Yeah, that's true. So that's what they're doing. Yeah, I thought it was upside down. I thought that looks unusual to have the neck at the top of the head. And you've got so you've laid out the actual brain part in the polytunnel.
Yes, it's all
brilliant.
mapped out.
Right, good. So, yeah. Brilliant. So, Andy here is just sanding the edges. We've got some noise from the peacocks in the background who not happy about this sanding, but that's just taking off those edges and finishing it off, ready so we can put a little bit of linseed oil or something to bring up the colours in that sapele wood. So that looks great. Adam's just getting the copper spray on the top of the butterfly gate. Sandra and Michelle have just cut the head out, so that's going to be the rock. No, it's going to be more mossy, isn't it? Mossy fern, some ophiopogon, and then in front of it we're going to have contorted hazels and neuron looking plants, and move it back in. The tricky parts of the garden is finding a central feature which would be in a big container, and obviously buddleias it's too early, lilacs it's too late, ceanothus you can see is a possible option, but we're 3 weeks away and that might go over. We've got a hydrangea aspera, which is a lovely lace cap one, and if that's in full flower the butterflies will like that. They can sit on that and take the nectar. We've pulled in a few climbers because obviously one of the problems you have in show gardens is you haven't got anything big enough, and if you've got pergolas and things like that you really want climbers. We've had to pull some plants back in here, like the achillea, because it was going to flower and that would have been over. This is what's going to make up part of the brain. So we've got things like Diopterus, Erythrozona, Wallacina. We've got some nice plants around the pool. There's Acer pennsylvanicum, and we've got a lovely Parotia persica here, which is going to sit in like a sort of a damp meadow where there's Lucia, which is a beautiful kind of rush stem, and there's going to be Amies, Amimajus or Amibisna, we've got old Camillas, and we've got lots of ferns in here as well. Andy's there, ready to go. He's putting on the beading down at Gardener's World, and you can see that this is our plot. The block works up with the copings on top. This is the team, all ready to go, and we've got to render all the inside today, so we're just going to do a little bit of rendering, induction, and we are good to go. turn, get a bit of push it up, doesn't it? So just get your float like that, get your walk, put them together like that. Just put it on your fork like that. Start sort of just up at the top of the water, what you're going to do is just tilt it back, put this well on the board, tilt it back and just pull a bit off, separate them. Start off with put your float like that and then come about 45 degrees and put it out like that. Okay? So you're just sort of doing that. You're just trying to get about a 5 mil layer on, okay? That's all we're doing. Just trying to get it on. That's all we need to do. Now when you do the top, I'll show you this bit. Put them down. Just take the top, you go to the top, take that bit like that, come down. Like that, okay? You're doing the side, left to right, take it on the left-hand side of your float, come that way. You're going from the right, take it from the right-hand side of your float, and go that way. Okay, but generally speaking, start off with will be just trying to get this layer on, and what we're going to do is lay a second coat into it, okay? That's what we're going to do. We just got to get this on now in the next hour. All the inside. We've got to do 2 coats. On tape. So we just put on the first coat of the sort of scratch coat. Now is fingerprint dry, so we just literally have a look at it, and if it takes your fingerprint with a bit of an index, you can see that it's making an impression. We've now already put our second coat of monocouche on. Okay, so here we go. So James is just popping up. Luke has been breaking out that concrete so he can put the post for the door in. And then we got Kane and Ryan having a go at a bit of rendering. And then you can see that Liam is digging out a trench. This is going to be where the wall goes, the wooden post. Andy is there rendering on the corner. And just doing a bit of smoothing off. And we've got Tom and Mark here doing a bit of rendering on this side. And I've just finished my bit of rendering over here. I've just got to smooth that up.
most of the surface open a bit at the end, so you don't want it smooth. So we use like a float of prongs in it to finish it. Too bad.